everyone, I'm going to show you the simple function for PowerPoint. So what I will go through is first how to open a new slide, then how to insert a text into PowerPoint, how to insert picture, how to save the file that you have created, how to open the file that you have saved, and last, how to do slideshow mode to show the PowerPoint file that you have created. So without further ado, we will begin. Have your Microsoft or any other version of PowerPoint open. After you open, it will come up this home page. From home page, there is a blank presentation template for you, or if you want to have more pre-designed template, you can come to this more theme. For the purpose of demonstration, we will use blank presentation so that you can learn from scratch what can be done for your PowerPoint presentation. So I'll just double click on this blank, double click on the presentation, it will come out this template. So this normally is the home page or front page of our presentations. So I'll just name it and presentation 1 and probably add in my name and date or whatever, maybe your organization or what is this presentations is meant for. So after you done this one, you basically done the first slide of your presentation already. So next, maybe second slide, there's several way of adding a new slide. I'll show you a simplest one, which is, can you see home tab here, and you click on this new slide, just click on it, then it will come up another blank page with some templates that you can work on. Another way of doing that is, like on this clipboard here, you just right click on your mouse, right click, it will come up another new slide option for you to click on. Just click on it, same thing, exact the same result, so you get a new slide to work on. So a good thing about PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft presentation, is it normally come up with this template for you to work on. For example, here I can just simply type the things that I want to add on, and I can make use of the original template that we have here. Just in case that your version of PowerPoint does not have this pre-designed template, or you think you want to do from scratch, let me show you how to do it. Let me remove these two first. So let's say after you add on new slide, it come out totally blank, but don't panic. I can go through with you step by step how do we first add on the text into your PowerPoint slide, and second add on a picture into a PowerPoint slide. So okay, we will move on to show you how to add on a text. So when you want to insert something, you always come to this insert here. There we have a lot of things for us to insert. There's picture, there's shape, there's chat, and today we only want to focus on text, the simplest version first. So I can come to this text box here. After I click, it seems like no response, but don't panic. When you move your mouse down to the slides, you can see an inverted cross, and you can click on it, don't release your mouse, and drag. There we go, a text box that you can work on. Yeah, so you just type in the things that you want to put on your PowerPoint slide, and I'll show you a bit of functions on how can we do different format for your font also. So after you type the things that you want to type on, you want to always highlight the words before you work on, to tell computer that yes, this is the words that I want to work on. After I highlight, how do we highlight? Sorry. So you click on it. When the cursor is flashing, you know that this is the place that you can work on. So you click on it and click on your mouse and drag to the left or to the right. So I'll do to the left to highlight the whole words here. So how can we do that? When you at home tab, you see this font formatting tools here. You see font. So I can choose different font that I want. Probably I'll choose this one. And I think it's too small, so I want to increase the size. Again, there's several ways. The first is I change this font size, this box 18 here, to a bigger number. So let's try 48. Yeah. Or there is another way to do is this is increase font size or decrease font size. Increase font size or decrease font size. Yeah. So remember to highlight it so that computer knows that you are working on this. If your cursor is here, you click increase and you click decrease, no response, that means your computer didn't work on the words that you want to work on. So remember to highlight the words, then increase or decrease font size. Okay, you can also change color. Let's see here. The change color, font color is here. Let's change it to, let's say, blue. Okay, there we go. It's in blue color now. So there's also a few more functions: bold function, italic function, underline function, or give the font a shadow functions on it, or you can close it. I'll leave the underline on. Yep, there we go. So next, I'm going to teach you on another text, insert text function, which is word art. So this word art, when I click on it, it shows that there is some preset design that I can use and work on directly. So let's try this. Let's say an orange color one. Yep, this one. So I told you just now that when you highlight on it, that means you want to work on this word. So if I lost the highlight, so I just key in here, it will tell the computer that I want to work within in between H and E just now when I put it here. So remember to highlight the whole thing because you want to remove this and key in your own words. So agenda, there we go. So the designs is automatically come out. Let's say I change my mind, I don't like orange color, I want another color. I can come back to here. You are at drawing tools, shape, format automatically. You can come to here to choose, let's say I want this black and blue one. It's here. Yep, there we go. So next, I want to show you how do we move the things that you have insert around. So let's say I want this to be under the blue font just now. So how do we move that? There's several ways to do it. First, easier one is you want to work on it. So you need to tell the computer that you are working on this word. So when you click on it, you can see this 4 directional black arrow appear. That means you are good to click on it and move. Click and don't release your mouse to move. So I'll do it again. Click on your mouse, don't remove it, drag and move. There we go. So there is another function also that you can make the text and make the box bigger to move the font. So same thing, click either directional of the cursor, the box circle, drag and hold and release. Yeah. So another direction to demo for you. Click on it, drag and hold and release. Got it? Okay. Next, maybe I want this word to be vertical instead of horizontal here. So how do we do that? I can use this function here. Let me move to here so that you can see more clearly. So I can use this function here, this a bit like U-turn shape of arrow here. Click on it and turn around the words. Click on it and turn. Hold your mouse and drag and hold and release. Yep. Click and turn. So let's say I change my mind again. I want this to go back to original position, but I tried so many times already, cannot go back to the 90 degrees straight angle. What can I do? So there's a functions that I want to introduce to you. Is it going to be your good friend for using any of the Microsoft software like PowerPoint that we are working on, like Word document, or like Excel. So this is the button here called undo. So you come all the way top left corner, you see this undo rotate object. Because the previous step that I did was rotating the object, so I want to undo it. No, not going back yet. Undo it, undo it, undo it. Nope, nope, nope. Come back to the position that I wanted. So remember, this is the undo. That means it's actually telling computer that you want the previous step that you have done. Let's say I accidentally click too much. Undo. There's another function called redo. It's telling computer that you are going a step forward. So let me try on it and redo. So undo and redo is going to be your best friend. Okay, now we have two of these different text functions introduced to you. Next, we are going to introduce to you how to insert a picture into your file. Let's assume that you already have a picture downloaded onto your desktop or somewhere else in this device that you are using. So we're going to insert a picture. So I come to insert, I come to this picture. I just click on it first, and it asks me insert picture from where? From this device or from online picture. I normally go for this device because I can first go to online and search the picture that I want. I download it and save it to this device and I can use it. So I use this device. There we go. So this is my picture here. So I'm going to use this Canada cloudy picture. I click on it and insert at the bottom. There we go. So it will auto come to here, and very nicely it will go just nice to the borders of the presentation, the slide for me. So I can again the function that we just learned, click on it, see the 4 black directional arrow, then I can move the picture as I want it to be at the edge of my slide. Yeah, nice. Yep, it's that simple to insert a picture into your PowerPoint presentation. Next, at the end of all your working on these slides, right, you are going to present this presentation. That's why we are using PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to show you how do we show it in full screen for your audience to see. So after you do everything, remember before you close down this presentation work file, right? Remember to save your document, otherwise you might lose all your time that work on the words, nice pictures and so on. So how do we do that? We go to save, and it will show you save as, because this is a brand new document. So let's save it at desktop for easier. You have now saved your file. I will continue to show you how do we do this in a presentation mode to show your audience. So I'll go back to first slide. Then do you see this bottom corner here? Right bottom corner, it called slideshow. So just click on it, and there you go. You are in slideshow presentation mode to show the works that you have done for your audience. This is the full screen. You get to see the front page, and when you click on your mouse or click the up and down button on your keyboard, it will bring you to next page, and down again it brings you to the page with a nice font and nice picture, third page, and you down again, it will come to this end of slideshow and click one more to exit. So if this video has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends who might require help for PowerPoint presentation. Let me know also what can I do for you next round. What's the functions that you would like to learn from this PowerPoint, so that I can do up another video for you. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.